When winter hits hard and snow stacks up faster than human effort can keep up, ordinary tools become useless. This is where extremely fast snow removal machines take over. Engineered to clear driveways, sidewalks, parking lots, and entire roadways in a fraction of the time. From high-output snowblowers that erase heavy accumulation in minutes to industrial-grade plows built to dominate the most punishing winter storms, these machines are designed for pure speed and control. What you are about to see is snow removal pushed to an entirely different level. Øveraasen TV-600. Øveraasen TV-1000 is a high-speed snowblower that charges through thick winter accumulations, keeping airport runways and large paved surfaces open, safe, and fully operational. Part of Øveraasen's performance line, it transforms massive snow clearance into a precise, controlled process. Power comes from 2 diesel engines delivering a combined 1,000 horsepower, providing separate drive for propulsion and snow removal. This setup ensures the machine maintains peak performance even under extreme loads, clearing more than 7,500 tons of snow per hour and projecting it up to 130 feet away. It rides on a custom self-propelled chassis with hydraulic suspension for smooth operation. Its unique flying cab can be positioned in front of or behind the blower chute, giving operators optimal visibility in any condition. A clearing width of 135 inches and a working speed from 6 to 25 miles per hour balances wide coverage with precise control, keeping even tight spaces efficiently cleared. Øveraasen RS 600. Øveraasen RS 600 is a runway snow sweeper that commands attention as it clears massive stretches of snow, ice, and debris, leaving airport runways and taxiways pristine and safe. Its modern control systems are prepared for driver assist and autonomous operations, making even complex snow management tasks more precise. At its core is a Volvo TAD 1385 engine, producing 543 horsepower, powering twin high-capacity brushes, and an air blower that moves 60,000 cubic feet of air per hour at speeds up to 340 miles per hour. The result is snow ejection across vast areas with every pass, and that's where it gets interesting. Its clearing width of roughly 25 feet lets it sweep enormous swaths quickly, while travel speeds up to 40 miles per hour allow fast repositioning across large surfaces. Measuring about 75 feet long, the RS 600 performance line handles nearly 488,000 square feet per hour, delivering coverage and capacity unmatched in the industry. Øveraasen RSC 250. Øveraasen RSC 250 is a compact yet high-performance runway sweeper designed to clear snow, ice, and debris from airport taxiways, aprons, and runways with speed and precision. Built on a rugged Mercedes-Benz chassis with premium materials and an aerodynamic profile, it thrives in environments where maneuverability and surface clearing power are critical. At its heart is a 350 horsepower MTU 6R1000 diesel engine, driving a system that automatically adjusts brush height and speed to maintain consistent ground contact. This ensures minimal residue and maximizes sweeping efficiency. The 920mm diameter brush spins up to 900 revolutions per minute, while a high-capacity air blower moves up to 40,000 cubic meters of air per hour at nearly 150 meters per second, clearing wide surfaces quickly and thoroughly. It covers a working width of 13 feet and a transport width of 8 feet 5 inches, allowing it to handle approximately 260,000 square meters per hour. It can reach speeds up to 40 miles per hour, making it exceptionally effective on large open areas. A 750-litre fuel tank and a robust hydraulic system support extended shifts in harsh winter conditions, keeping operations running with minimal downtime. Schmidt FS HP. Schmidt FS HP is a heavy-duty snow cutter blower attachment designed to transform tractors, loaders, or multi-purpose carriers into powerful winter clearing machines. Built for vehicles in the 75 to 300 horsepower range, it tackles deep compacted and icy snow on roads, streets, and traffic areas with professional precision. At the core of its performance is a two-stage snow cutter blower system featuring robust cutter drums with double-threaded open spirals. These efficiently draw snow inward and feed it into an optimized impeller for rapid ejection. The result is consistent snow transport, high clearing capacity, and the ability to throw snow long distances through a hydraulically pivoting, foldable chute that directs snow precisely away from cleared surfaces or into waiting trucks. The FS HP series offers clearing widths from 63 inches up to 104 inches, allowing it to be tailored to the size and power of the carrier vehicle while still handling large volumes of snow quickly and efficiently. Every detail is engineered for reliability, performance, and control under the harshest winter conditions. MPC-750. MPC-750 is a self-propelled snowblower that rumbles through heavy winter buildup with the confidence of a machine built to dominate. Built for airports, highways, and municipal roads, it's engineered for professionals who need speed and capacity without compromise. Its modular design and rugged construction make it versatile enough to handle the most demanding snow removal tasks with consistent results. At the heart of the MPC-750 is a 772 horsepower Caterpillar C18 diesel engine, powering a two-stage ribbon head that clears up to 5,200 tons of snow per hour. That sheer capability ensures even extreme accumulations and high-traffic areas stay open and safe, and that's where it gets interesting. Its 110-inch cutting width and 52-inch ribbon diameter deliver a broad, efficient swath with each pass, keeping large-scale operations moving smoothly. The design minimizes downtime in cold weather by relying on a simplified after-treatment system with diesel oxidation catalyst and exhaust gas recirculation, eliminating the need for SCAR and reducing emissions-related interruptions. Travel speeds reach up to 45 miles per hour, and optional telescopic chutes project snow precisely up to 150 feet, turning raw power into controlled, targeted clearing. Prinoth BISON. Prinoth BISON is a heavy-duty snow groomer that commands attention as it reshapes slopes, parks, and trails, leaving every surface ride ready and meticulously finished. Built for resorts, Nordic centers, and advanced trail maintenance, it's engineered for operators who demand both power and versatility in a single machine. Its Caterpillar C9.3B straight-six diesel engine delivers 422 horsepower and 1,399 pound-feet of torque, giving it the thrust and traction to move through deep snow and challenging terrain while meeting strict emission standards thanks to an advanced exhaust treatment system. The tracked undercarriage spans nearly 14 feet, letting it cover wide areas efficiently. Extended blade and tiller options push and finish surfaces with professional precision, creating smooth, ride-ready conditions on every pass. Robust suspension and a 0-degree turning radius enhance maneuverability, letting it handle tight sections and steep slopes without sacrificing stability. Fuel capacity of roughly 85 gallons, with an optional additional tank, supports long shifts without frequent stops, while the ergonomic cab keeps operators comfortable and in control. Joystick controls, a 12-inch tilting touchscreen, LED lighting, and a rear-view camera improve monitoring, visibility, and handling, even in night operations or heavy snowfall. Prinoth Leitwolf. Prinoth Leitwolf is a high-power snow grooming machine engineered to dominate ski slopes, Nordic trails, and high-altitude terrain with unmatched precision and efficiency. Built for professionals who demand consistent results, it transforms raw snow into perfectly sculpted surfaces, earning its reputation as the master of slopes. At its core, it runs on a 530 horsepower straight-six diesel engine, paired with an advanced powertrain and reinforced tracks. This combination produces a staggering 1,918 pound-feet of torque at 1,100 revolutions per minute, giving it the strength to push, lift, and condition heavy snow effortlessly across expansive areas. Its impressive working width of 14 feet 9 inches means fewer passes are needed while delivering uniform, high-quality snow conditions every time. Leitwolf excels thanks to its patented parallel offset tiller, allowing the grooming implement to shift laterally for broader coverage and smoother overlap on successive passes. Adjustable suspension enhances traction and stability, keeping the machine steady on variable slope profiles. The master blade and wide tiller work in tandem to create the corduroy finishes seen at world-class resorts, while operator-focused controls, all-around visibility, and a comfort-oriented cabin support long shifts without sacrificing precision. PistenBully 800. PistenBully 800 is a professional-grade snow groomer that commands attention as it carves perfect trails through deep, untouched snow, leaving behind the smooth, corduroy-like surfaces every skier dreams of. Built for resorts, ski slopes, and expansive winter terrain, it's designed for operators who demand both power and precision, reshaping snow with efficiency that keeps operations running flawlessly, even when conditions get extreme. Its design blends brute strength with refined control. The 5 running axles on a longer chassis provide traction that grips steep slopes and variable terrain, while keeping the ride smooth and stable. Steering and suspension give it agility rarely seen in a machine of this size, letting operators maneuver confidently without losing momentum. Performance comes alive in the field. Its 612 horsepower 6-cylinder MAN D38 diesel engine delivers roughly 2,900 pound-feet of torque at low engine speeds, giving it the muscle to move massive snow accumulations and maintain speed on steep grades. Even in deep drifts, it keeps pushing, climbing, and shaping with steady precision, and this changes how everything works across long shifts. A 400-litre fuel tank combined with a built-in diesel particulate filter extends operational time, letting it run for hours in harsh conditions without frequent stops and keeping emissions in check, so efficiency and environmental standards go hand in hand. PistenBully 600E+. PistenBully 600E+ is engineered for ski resorts, winter parks, and large snow terrain where powerful performance and environmental responsibility have to coexist. It is designed for operators who need serious pushing strength on steep, ungroomed slopes while keeping fuel use, noise, and emissions under control. Its foundation is a diesel-electric drive system that pairs a Cummins X12 6-cylinder engine with high-efficiency electric motors. That setup delivers immediate high torque and thrust even at low engine speeds, translating into exceptional climbing and pushing performance in real-world grooming conditions. At the same time, it optimizes fuel use and reduces noise and emissions compared with conventional snowcats, making long shifts feel smoother and more controlled. This advanced drivetrain cuts fuel consumption and carbon dioxide emissions by about 20%, while also lowering operating noise, positioning the 600E+ as one of the cleanest and quietest snow groomers in its class. Engine output is rated at about 512 horsepower, with maximum torque close to 1,750 pound-feet, giving operators dependable muscle for deep snow and steep grades. That power is supported by a 300-litre fuel tank, providing usable work time for extended grooming sessions without constant refueling. And this changes how everything works during long overnight operations. Precision comes from the integrated SnowSat snow depth measurement system, which tracks snow depth in real time up to about 165 feet. Larue T80. Larue T80 is a high-capacity self-propelled truck-mounted snowblower engineered for the toughest winter conditions. Built to clear massive amounts of snow on high-speed roadways and mountain passes and airports and interstate routes with unmatched power and efficiency, designed for crews who cannot afford delays. And that's where it gets interesting. It delivers a performance class of about 5,000 tons of snow per hour, which means entire corridors are cleared fast instead of inch by inch, turning storm-choked infrastructure back into moving highways while the roughly 114-inch blower head and robust mechanical drive system throw snow far away from cleared surfaces, so it does not immediately fall back. And this changes how everything works. Powering all of this is a heavy-duty Caterpillar C18 diesel engine producing around 755 horsepower and 2,582 pound-feet of torque, giving the T80 the muscle to drive the blower while propelling the carrier vehicle reliably through deep snow and icy conditions, translating into steady forward motion when lighter machines would stall, and that's where it gets interesting. Fuel capacity sits at about 300 gallons, allowing extended operation between refills during prolonged winter events, which means longer uninterrupted clearing runs instead of constant stops, keeping crews focused on reopening roads while storms are still raging. But here's the part most people miss. Larue D97. Larue D97 is a loader-mounted snowblower that transforms construction loaders into powerhouse snow removal machines, clearing massive amounts of snow with ease. Built for professionals managing large-scale winter operations, it delivers unmatched clearing capacity and rugged reliability, turning ordinary loaders into high-performance snow-moving tools. At its core, a Caterpillar C27 or C32 diesel engine produces between 1,050 and 1,200 horsepower, with torque ranging from 3,100 to 4,056 pound-feet, powering a large impeller and conveyor system that handles heavy snow efficiently and consistently. The D97 clears up to 8,500 tons of snow per hour and projects it up to 180 feet, keeping follow-up crews and vehicles free from extra cleanup. Its 300-gallon fuel tank allows extended shifts without frequent refueling, critical for continuous snow removal on large projects. With a working width of about 139 inches and a robust one-piece, abrasion-resistant impeller, it excels at moving heavy, wet snow quickly and without clogging, delivering consistent performance even in the harshest winter conditions. Every aspect is engineered to combine raw power, precision, and reliability for professional-grade snow clearing. Larue D35. Larue D35 is a heavy-duty, loader-mounted two-stage snowblower engineered to transform compatible loaders into high-performance snow-clearing machines for commercial parking lots, urban streets, and truck loading operations. Built for severe winter conditions, it delivers professional-grade power, precision, and reliability, clearing snow at an impressive rate of approximately 1,800 tons per hour, while projecting it up to about 150 feet, allowing crews to move massive accumulations quickly and efficiently. At its core, the D35 is powered by a Cummins F3.8 turbo diesel engine producing around 173 horsepower, delivering strong, consistent torque to a 32-inch serrated ribbon conveyor and a heavy-duty impeller for smooth, continuous snow intake and discharge. This conveyor design excels at handling loose and freshly fallen snow, reducing clogging and maintaining steadier performance compared to traditional auger systems. Larue's two-stage engineering pairs a rugged cutting head that breaks through heavy snowfall with an efficient impeller that throws snow clear of the work area, helping operators maintain momentum during demanding winter operations. Hydraulic chute rotation with a wide adjustment range allows precise snow placement, while options such as quick attach couplers, heavy-duty carbide blades, and remote controls let operators tailor the D35 to specific tasks and carrier platforms with ease. TechnoAlpin TT10. Designed for ski resorts and winter facilities, this tower-mounted snowmaking machine is engineered to produce consistent, high-quality artificial snow with efficiency, reliability, and ease of use at the forefront. It builds on proven fan gun technology, then elevates it with a tiltable tower design that improves snow output and simplifies maintenance, making it a strong fit for demanding snowmaking operations where precision and performance matter most. And that's where it gets interesting. At the center of its performance is innovative nozzle valve technology that maximizes energy efficiency while reducing water waste by feeding excess water directly into the airstream for conversion into snow. The result is excellent snow quality even near temperature limits. An enhanced air cooling system further boosts output in borderline conditions, helping the TT10 deliver abundant, consistent snow when nature does not cooperate. And this changes how everything works during tight weather windows. It uses nucleators with dual ruby inserts that increase wear resistance and support long-lasting operation with minimal downtime. That means fewer interruptions and more reliable snow production across long operating periods. But here's the part most people miss. Maintenance is dramatically simplified thanks to the tiltable tower, which allows operators to service the nozzle ring and motor right at ground level, without a ladder. Boss Snowplow SR Scout. Boss Snowplow SR Scout is engineered to clear walkways, entryways, and tight pedestrian zones with agility, precision, and professional performance. It's designed for contractors and property owners who focus on sidewalks, driveways, and small access areas where speed and control matter most, and that's where it gets interesting. Power comes from a rugged 429cc Kohler gasoline engine, delivering dependable performance in winter conditions while keeping operation intuitive and maneuverable so snow clearing feels faster and far less tiring. That steady power feeds into a 4-foot fully hydraulic Boss designed straight blade with float and D-force technology, maximizing lift height, maintaining consistent downward pressure for effective surface scraping, and stacking snow efficiently out of the way. But here's the part most people miss. Its 34-inch compact width combined with zero-turn radius steering lets it slip through narrow pathways and confined spaces larger machines simply cannot reach, turning problem areas into quick passes instead of time-consuming obstacles, and this changes how everything works on tight properties. Mellif Snow Thrower. Mellif Snow Thrower is a compact, battery-powered snow clearing tool built for everyday residential use on sidewalks, driveways, and patios. It clears a path approximately 12 inches wide and handles snow depths of up to 6 inches in a single pass. Snow is fed into a high-speed impeller and expelled through an adjustable chute that can be directed left, right, or straight ahead, throwing snow as far as 17 feet. Engineered for quiet operation, the electric motor produces significantly less noise than gas-powered blowers, making it ideal for early morning or late evening use without disturbing neighbors. Dual ergonomic handles provide balance and precise control, while the tool's modular design allows for quick disassembly and compact storage. A standard 4 amp-hour battery delivers approximately 20 to 30 minutes of runtime, which is sufficient for most residential clearing tasks, and recharges in about 3 hours. By combining portability, safety, and practical performance, Mellif delivers efficient snow removal without heavy lifting or unnecessary noise. That brings us to the end of this deep dive into some of the most insane snow removal machines ever built. These machines are not just impressive to watch, they are essential for keeping cities, roads, and critical infrastructure running when nature tries to shut everything down. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, share it with anyone who loves powerful machines, subscribe for more insane tech and equipment content, and drop a comment telling us which machine shocked you the most.